Hello friends, if you are an NRI and you are planning to sell a property in India, this is the first thing you should do before even you think about selling your property, which I am going to tell you in this video. And what is that and why you should do it, I am going to discuss in detail in this video. Let's begin. So hello friends, most of time when people plan to sell property in India, they generally start directly finding a buyer. But the first thing they should check, of course, is whether there is any penalty or any demand pending in their income tax portal. As an NRI, generally people don't file return, and most of the time I know that they have not created any user ID password in the income tax portal. Now what happens in such a scenario? If your email ID and mobile number is not updated, it is still lying with your old CA, even they are sending any notices or demand, it is going to your old CA, and because you are not paying your old CA, he doesn't bother about you or your notices. Now what happens once you sell property, there is generally a TDS deducted. Now this TDS can be claimed as a refund provided there is no demand. So there are two things happening. First thing, already because lots of my clients who are selling property and getting lower TDS, or maybe some cases they are not getting lower TDS, they are paying 23%, their demand is getting delayed. In some cases the refund is getting delayed, in some cases they are not getting refund at all. And then they ask question and we get into the detail and then we find out something messy. And what is messy? What department is doing? First thing, they are uploading all old demands which is 10 years back, 12 years back or 15 years back. Somebody can ask, sir, is it legal first of all? So if we go to legality, yes, it is not legal, but the thing is they have a lot of excuses and we cannot do anything. For example, they can say they have sent emails, they have sent notices, nobody responded, so they have done ex parte assessment and this demand was already there, only it is uploaded in the system now. By saying that, because if demand is already there, that can be uploaded in system, but they cannot issue a demand by doing a procedure now, so they are taking benefit of that. And suppose the demand is small, then it's not a problem, but some cases it's a 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, and because there is no response, the income tax officer gets a free hand to levy whatever he wishes, and that demand will be adjusted against your refund. So always before you start thinking about selling your property, just give us a chance and we will review your income tax portal by login or by creating login, and we'll see if there is any pending demand and we'll take the screenshot of the same, so that later on once refund is processed, nobody should come back and say, oh, now we have something. So it will save you from hiccups or hassles which you can face if a big chunk of your sale, you can say proceed, is paid as a TDS or as an advance tax to the government, and now income tax department is harassing you, they're not issuing your refund. So just a small step which is called review, which we do for free of cost. So we can do it free of cost. We can check your accounts and see that if there is any demands are pending or not. If there is a demand, we will charge a small amount from you, maybe 2,500, to review that why that demand or why that notice is pending, what we should do to resolve it. So this is a kind of advisory we will provide you after checking if there is any demand. If there is nothing clean, then there is no problem. So before you start thinking or start the procedure of selling your property, just review your income tax portal to check if there is anything pending from your side, or already some demand is uploaded, or some proceeding is on the way and you have not replied to that. You finish it, you settle it, then only you start your selling procedure, so that your refund should not be stuck. So that's all in this video. It's a very small topic but very important, because most of time when people already sold the property and they are expecting 20-30 lakh rupees of refund and it's not coming, then they get into that, reach out to us, and then we check and we find that some old demands are already pending. And the problem with the old demands, most of cases you don't remember even that, you don't have supporting documents. So to avoid that situation, always better to check your income tax portal before you start your sale proceeding. That's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.